Wishing you a very happy day. We are from Wonder World Montessori School Channel, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur. Today I am going to take class for science, and in science we are going to take the Earth season. So very interesting topic. If you like my video, please subscribe for the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So this topic is very interesting. The season, we all feel the season. So let's first understand why do we have the season. As you all know, Earth, it rotates around the axis. We have learned it in our last chapter. And in Earth, obviously one pole will be near the sun and another will be off the sun or will be far away from the sun. And when the Earth revolves on its own axis, it is called rotation. This is the revision of last lesson. Now we know there are two types of Earth's movement. The Earth's movement are rotation and revolution. Rotation, when Earth moves round its own axis, and it takes 24 hours. So, and this is what? One day and night. When we are towards the sun, we have the day and the other part has the night. And the Earth is spinning, so then we come across the night and the other part is day. Revolution. Now, this is because of that. Because of revolution, we have the seasons. While rotating on its axis, the Earth is also revolving around the orbit around the sun. This path is elliptical and it takes 365 or precisely 364 and a half day and 6 hours to finish one revolution. This equals to 1 year, and because of this revolution we have we have different season. Next slide will clear you this concept. See, here we can see Earth revolving on its own axis and it's Earth rotating on its own axis, and it is moving, it is taking a revolution on the elliptical path. Now next we come to the slide, the seasons. The seasons occur because the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. As the Earth revolves, one pole is tilted towards the sun. As I told you before, the hemisphere will have the summer season while the other will have the winter. Let's see the next slide which will make this more clear. So here you can see in December, the one part which is far away from the sun will have the chill season or the winters, and the one towards the sun will have the hot season. In May, again the spring season is there. Then in June we have the summer season because it's rotating and the next part is come in front of sun. And in September we have the autumn season because of the spinning. If you will do an experiment taking a ball and spinning it, you will come across this, and you can very well understand why we have the seasons because of revolution. We have day and night because of rotation of the sun, and we have seasons because of revolution of the Earth round the sun. With this, thank you, and in this lesson you have learned, let me just revise the lesson for you. The orbit, axis and the equator are imaginary lines. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night, and the revolution of the Earth causes seasons. With this, thank you and bye-bye. Take care, children, and be safe. Bye.